Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming thread condition and selecting the repair method you need. Use a center punch to mark the hole, then drill to the specified pilot size for the insert or tap. Make sure to clamp the work so it cannot move. This prevents further damage. Once the hole is drilled, clean metal chips thoroughly with a brush and compressed air, and apply cutting lubricant to reduce friction. These initial steps set you up for a straight, lasting thread repair. You now cut or form the new threads. If tapping, keep the tap perfectly perpendicular, turn a half to full rotation, then back off to break chips. Repeat until full depth. If using a helicoil or insert, thread the insert onto the installation tool and wind it into the prepared hole until the top sits slightly below the surface. Once installed, remove any tang per instructions. Then insert the correct bolt to confirm fit and measure engagement depth to ensure strength and alignment. You finish by cleaning and deburring the repaired area. Remove all chips and lubricant to prevent contamination. Next, fit the correct fastener and torque it to the specified value while watching for smooth engagement. Once torqued, inspect for leaks or movement and recheck torque after initial load. If the bolt binds or the repair feels weak, make sure the hole is straight, then retap carefully or install a larger insert. Troubleshooting tip: if threads strip again, use a threaded insert and increase material thickness for a permanent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.